So to create layer, we have to click here, layer properties. I'll click here to layer properties. Now there are many layers available. Previous I have created for my work. You will see here only 2 layers, 0 and diff points. The 2 layers are available. Okay, the 2 layers are available. Now what we'll do to create layer, you will see some option here. The first option is new layer. You will click here. Just see a layer have been created, and if you provide its name as per your requirement, suppose if I want to create door, then I will provide its name as GOOR door. And here color. So what color you want to use for your door? I'll click here and I will specify a specific color. Suppose I need a color of that color. Then I'll click OK. Then line type. Which types of line you need? Click here. Do you need continuous line or dash line or more line? You can generate that as per your requirement. So which types of color you need? I mean line units. If you need dash line, then you can click here OK. A dash line will create it. But if you need more types of light, simply click here for load, and from here you are able to take anything you need actually. Okay, anything you need here you are able to take it. So simply I will consider that on for this time and I'll click OK. Now line weight. So if you click here, what will be the weight of your line? That means what will be the thickness of your line? Here you can select that. Suppose your line thickness will be 0.3 mm, then click OK. And the most important thing is transparent. So what will be the transparent? Okay, transparent value. So transparent value means how your value will be visible or the member will be visible. So I'll take 0 for 100% visibility. If you need to decrease your visibility, then you will be able to decrease that. Then I'll click OK. So this is the way to create a layer. In this way you are able to create any types of layer as per your requirement. Now I'll close it and I'll come here, and from here I'll find out my layer, that door, and I'll click here and our door layer are now activated. Okay, so when it's okay, now I'll click here line, or I'll go here, and suppose here if I draw anything, it will create the dot line we have selected and with color. And now if I again go here, suppose now I've changed my mind that I will change that dot. Now how to do that? Again I'll go here, layer properties, and in door I'll go for here, and by clicking continue I will close it. Just see, it's changed. Also, if you think that you will change your color, simply click here and click here or anywhere, then click OK. Your color will change. So this is a good way to maintain your different types of project or different types of work with different types of layer. So when you'll use draw, or when you will draw a windows, then also you can use a different color, so that if you need to change anything in windows, then you can change it. Clear? So this is the good way to change your layer properties, or create a layer properties and modify your layer properties.